Now we are going to think about sets. We are working off of this document right there. There's a link to it if you're on YouTube land. That will bring you to this document. We are in cooking database. You'll be able to find it once you get to that document. And we're going to start thinking about sets. And to think about sets, I guess we will pause right there. Cool. Now we're thinking about sets. So when we look at what is a left join, inner join, left join, right join, full join, these are sets. Like this is a set of data. You could also say table. But when we start getting results, we're getting a set of data. So I could do select. Here, look at my tables. I could do select star from recipes. That's a set of data. I could do select star from recipe ingredients. That's a set of data. It's a big set. So each of those tables is a set of data. With this right here, we have recipes as a set of data. Okay, so this is a set of data. We have recipe classes as a set of data. That's this whole circle here, recipe classes. And then all of this is going to give us a set of data. That right there is going to return a set of data. When we join those together and ask for, it's an inner join and it's inner joined on these fields, that's going to give us a set of data. So we are looking at three sets of data. In this statement, there are three sets of data. There's this first set, which is the table recipes. There's a second set, which is the table recipe classes. And then there's this third set, which is created by this operation, this set of data. The data where recipes and recipe classes have recipe class ID equal to each other in each table, the field in each of the tables. There are three sets of data there. So you need to start identifying sets of data. Because when you start adding in more sets to a query, you need to be able to understand how that's being read so you could use your joins properly. This is what we learned Monday, so we're reviewing it. So let's look at our database and see what we have to do to add in new sets. Main takeaway, we'll do that in the next video. Main takeaway of this video, think in sets. Identify your sets, right? This is a set. That's this circle. This is a set. That's this circle. This is a set, right? It's a subset of those two other sets, but it's a set. It's this subset right here. It's what they have in common, but it's a set. Sets of data. Think in 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 sets of data, people. Main takeaway.
Think in sets of data.
Think in sets of data. Thank you, Lisa.